Good afternoon, friends. This is your host Murli here. In India, we hear about saving girl child, saving energy, saving the tiger, and saving money. Did I say something wrong by saying saving money? How many of us here save every month? My friend there, do you save every month?
Yes,
Yes? How much?
maybe 10,000.
I asked you percentage terms. How much would that be?
Okay, 10% of my income.
Your income? Alex, my friend here, do you save in Germany?
No, not at the moment.
Nothing at the moment. My friend there, do you save something?
Yeah.
In India, we use the term Amdani Athani Kharcha Rupaya. What does that mean? I always spend more than what I save. Why is it so difficult to save? Let us look at some innovative ways of saving money. Our parents saved more money with lesser salaries. Is that true? Yes, it is. Why? The saving is more a mindset today. Let's just reflect 1 month back. I made some money last month. How did I spend it? Can you just mentally calculate where did all the money go?
No,
Try. You paid EMIs,
too many expenses. to
too many
calculate.
expenses. Can you just broadly in percentage terms think where did it go? You ate food, you ate outside, you paid your bills. What else?
Traveling,
Traveling.
like around 20%.
Okay,
Or food could be 15%.
that's 35%.
Yeah,
And
Shopping.
and
shopping.
daily expenses,
Okay.
that could be around 12%.
Do you write down your daily expenses by any chance?
No,
Why? It's a very boring job to do.
yes, it's
Okay.
tedious.
It's tedious. Okay. And you came to 35% plus another 10% for daily expenses. That makes it 45%. Beyond that, what?
Emergency,
Emergency. Does it crop up every month? Emergency. Okay. We have a term called GK. What does GK stand for?
general knowledge.
Okay. Any other full form of GK? The guy said girlfriend knows. Even that is wrong. Somebody said in Hindi gayab kiya. That does not work in German. Okay. So what does GK stand for? It stands for God knows.
Okay.
Okay. So God knows is 55%. Even God will find it difficult to calculate that. Let us think, would it been easier had I wrote down my expenses or had I saved before I spent money? Can you save before spending?
Yes,
How?
when you get your income, you just save 10% of it and then you spend the rest of it.
And then take it from your mom, dad.
Yes,
And you save money by taking money from somebody else. Have you been able to consistently save month after month?
if you decide you can.
If you decide you can. Okay, let us just broadly divide these expenses. You said something on food, something on entertainment, something on traveling. What else? Something on impulsive shopping. All of us are shopaholics today. Can I delay my shopping bill by 48 hours? I liked something, I loved something, instantly I wanted to buy it. I didn't buy it for 48 hours. Will that help me save money?
Yes, because after 48 hours
You
you
may
won't get
forget.
the same thing.
Okay, great. You may not get it, you may forget it. How many of us love swiping cards? Does it pinch when you swipe a card or does it pinch when you pay from your wallet? When you count hard cash from your purse or your wallet, does it pinch more or does it pinch when you swipe a card?
When you pay in cash,
Why?
I think.
You see it in front of your eyes. Something is leaving your body, right? Yes or no? Swiping is much easier. So what's the solution? Hide your debit card, credit card. Is that so?
No credit card.
No credit card. Excellent. So the best thing is don't have credit. Okay. Let's go back to some more simpler things. How can I save money? Any idea?
Hiding it.
Hiding it. What else? By hiding it, does it grow?
No.
Okay.
Invest it. Yeah.
Invest it. Okay. Fine. But any other way of saving money? Let's come to saving first. Let's talk about investing later on. How can I save money?
Have
Think.
a saving account.
Have a savings bank account. Fine. What else?
Controlling yourself to spend too much.
How can I control myself? Close my eyes. Okay, let me just ask you, latest movie, did you see it in the multiplex? Did you see somewhere else? Okay, cheapest way of seeing a movie, I buy a pirated DVD. I can't
Download it online.
download it online. I am not advocating all that. I am talking of ethical ways of watching a movie. What's the most ethical way of watching a movie? Go to a theater and watch it.
Yeah.
What's the difference in the cost between theaters? My friend there, you told me, what's the difference between watching a movie in Aurora, in Chitra, in Plaza or in IMAX?
Yeah, and IMAX.
IMAX, how costly is that?
Like 350 somewhere.
You enjoy watching the movie in IMAX,
Yeah.
and when you come out, you feel like killing the director. Actually, okay, fine.
Don't watch Bollywood movies.
Don't watch Bollywood movies. Okay. She's saying don't watch Bollywood movies. What's the difference? I can get up early morning, Sunday morning, watch a 6 o'clock show. Ever tried doing that?
Yes.
I don't know what 6 o'clock morning is on a Sunday. Have you tried doing that?
7 o'clock show.
7 o'clock show. What's the difference?
Pay less.
How much?
I think by 150 rupees or something.
Okay, isn't that sufficient? Do you feel like eating samosa and popcorn early morning? 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock?
Yes.
Oh, great. Or do you eat less that time?
No, you diet. That's the best.
You
thing.
diet. Okay, you go in a movie theater and you diet.
Yes.
Wow. Any other way of actually saving money? How many of us eat outside rather than cook at home? My friend there, how much would a dozen of tomatoes cost?
Don't know.
If I have to ask you, Alex, how much would a dozen of tomatoes cost in Indian rupees? Or you want to convert that? I have absolutely no problem.
I eat, yeah, I ate the most time, and I cook myself in board.
Okay, so how much
Since
is?
I'm back in Mumbai, I was eating out.
Okay, but how much would a dozen of tomatoes cost?
10 bucks.
10 bucks. The lady also has never gone to the market. It's in kilos and not by dozens.
No, I know it's by kilos, but I think 1 kilo is probably 10 or 15 bucks.
Okay,
Yeah.
10 or 15 bucks is 1 kilo.
Five tomatoes.
Yeah. Because you're white.
Because I'm white.
Racist.
Okay, let's come back. Cooking at home, not eating outside. All of us have good habits also. Okay, the great habits. How many of us think going out, when you spend a lot of money on entertainment, drinking, smoking, ever calculated how much it costs? Never. I don't feel like calculating.
But that's the money you keep aside not to be calculated.
You keep that money aside not to be calculated. To conclude, friends, let's just see how you can actually control your expenses. Somebody said 10%, let's keep it aside at the beginning of the month itself. So what can I control on a daily basis? All of us have mobile phones, some more than one also. Is it postpaid or prepaid? Which one do you think gives you a... Do you know what the bill that is coming can be curtailed in case you had a prepaid and you decided this is the amount you're going to spend on communication month after month? Ever tried converting that into prepaid?
No.
No. How many of us use internet? You have data cards or have you used Wi-Fi? You use data card or a Wi-Fi? Both.
Wi-Fi.
Somebody is using both. Is it necessary to use both? Can I control my expenses by curtailing on one?
Yeah.
How many of us actually go home while actually watching TV at night? I sleep while watching TV. Do I switch off the main one, the main light, or I only switch off the TV monitor?
Only TV one.
Is it still the small light which actually is contributing to my electricity cost? Yes or no? We are all couch potatoes, very lazy to get up and switch it off at night. What else? Mobile phones get charged overnight. Is it required?
No.
Laptops get charged overnight. Is it required?
No.
What else? Ever thought about any other area wherein you think you can come out and save? Your suggestions? Anything else you think where you can control? Write down which are the expenses which are voluntary. That is, differentiate them between the ones you have to spend and the ones you need not spend. Okay, I got to eat, I got to wear clothes, I got to have electricity at home. But how many of us have paid gym fees? It's a very good feel good factor, paying gym fees.
Yeah.
Do you go to the gym
Yeah.
every day?
Yeah.
Great. If you're doing that, great. Otherwise, gyms actually survive on charity. Any other expense, club membership, anything else that comes to your mind wherein you paid something and you not utilized it completely? Any membership fee, any subscription fee?
Internet societies,
Internet societies, you paid something and you didn't use it.
not anymore. And then suddenly there is.
So go back and reflect, what is it that I want to discontinue? Anything else that comes to your mind that you can control or curtail? I told about movies, I told about entertainment. Look out for alternatives wherein it can be done at a cheaper cost. Because at the end of the day, it's left to the individual to control your finances. No one else can actually do it for you. It may not be possible in the very first month itself, but let's all at least begin somewhere. Even if you're able to cut it down by 1%, it is still a beginning. Let's try to inculcate that mindset within us, and let's see how we start doing it month after month. The Indian lady is considered the best saver. Why? Because she used to save all the money in different boxes which used to come very helpful during times of emergency. Can we just try doing that for a particular month? An ATM that everybody knows is God's gift. Do you all know the full form of ATM? Anybody here?
Anytime money.
Any other answer apart from anytime money? It's all time money. Yes? Any other answer? Both the answers are wrong. It's called the automated teller machine. Now we say it's anytime money and that's stuck into our brain. You use it only once a month. The second time you go in there, it should pinch you. So try visiting an ATM only once a month. They're going to charge you from now on. Remember that, that's an extra charge. So let's all promise ourselves that we will be more careful about our personal finances from today onwards. Can I take that as a yes from everybody?
Yes.
Thank you very much.